Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a video about my birthday vlog and the little vacation that we had during that period. You're also going to see how I make my quick smoothies and sandwiches that you will absolutely not regret if you're going on a quick road trip. Spend a little time with me on the beach and what are my plans for the next year. I wanted to include also a makeup tutorial, but the lighting was really bad. I was using a wide angle that looks like it's not a good one. There was also something wrong with the audio, so the vlog's gonna start a little bit after I put my makeup, which is fine. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and without further ado, stay tuned. My camera died, so I have to record with my phone now. Now the look is complete. I just put this mixture of two. This is like MAC lipsticks. So one is called Mocha and the other one is Candy Yum. No, that's not it. It's called Relentlessly Red. So these two colors that I mixed and it turned out well. One of them is a little bit kind of taupey and the other one is bright pink. So I just mixed them both because I'm not wearing something that's pinky. I'm gonna basically change this. This is just for the house. And then I'm gonna pack real quick. I still have this huge mess here behind me and we start driving. So this is how my bathroom counter look like. Right now I need to pack stuff. I buy a lot of accessories, especially from Lulu, AliExpress. So I'm gonna have to deal with this real quick now. One thing that's good, I don't have to worry about the weight, so whatever. And yeah, so I'm gonna just try to finish this real quick and then go have some meditation and waiting for my husband to come before we start driving. Since today is my birthday, it makes me think about all the things that I procrastinate. So this is my vision board. It's empty. I got this with we ordered a vinyl from eBay and somebody gave this to us. It's like $1 million bill. So I put it on my vision board. Wow. This wide angle makes me look, when I go to the side, really wide. This is so weird. So this is my outfit. I'm done. And I'm ready. One of the things I need to get rid of is belly fat. It got worse during this quarantine, so I'm gonna have to deal with that. I'm ready and I still have some time. My husband said he's gonna be on the store, so I'm gonna just do some meditation. So I just got done with my meditation. My husband is getting late and I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna just go make some sandwiches. I just feel like we're going to starve on the road. So yeah, I feel good. I always feel good after my meditation. If you want to know more about my meditation routine, I can do that for you in a video. Just let me know in the comments section below. So here I'm doing a 1/4 cup of every fruit. You can add more of whichever you like. About 1 cup of grapefruit juice and strawberry marmalade instead of sugar, and add ice. After I was done with the smoothies, I started the sandwiches. Try to put the cheese and the vegetable exactly how I put them on top of each other. That's what makes the flavor even better. Then add the tuna and the tomato on the top because you're gonna put mayonnaise right after griddling the sandwich, and we're done. This is cute. way better than I expected. It's so beautiful. It's actually, we thought it was downstairs, but it looks like it's upstairs and it's facing the beach. That's so cool. This is so cute. There is a little kitchen here. And I love small, cute stuff. Obviously, this is not working, so I'm just it's my first time putting them and it's hard.
Y'all didn't have to set this up for us. I want to see Baywatch the racing down.
So it has been raining all night last night, but I saw yesterday one of the most beautiful sunsets I've ever seen. It was really nice.
Alright, here's the birthday cake for the wifey. It says happy birthday Kenza. There are 3 candles on top and 4 behind. She will know what that means. Surprise. Make a wish.
Oh, thank you.
Make a wish.
Yeah, it's in my head.
Okay. No rush. Happy birthday, dear Kenza. Happy birthday to you. Atlantic Beach.
Wow, surprisingly warm. Hello. Unfortunately, I don't have any food for you. I only have some chocolate. Do you want some? Oh my god, you almost stopped for it. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to come to the beach. This is like 2 days after my birthday. So I had a good time during my birthday, and yesterday I went and watched the sunset. So yeah, the beach is really nice. So it's been a while that I've been laying on the beach now, and as you probably noticed, the fever is still there. I've had it since my birthday and it's still there. It's been like, now it's the 19th August, 2 days later. I bought something from Walgreens for it, for fever blisters. I just forgot it in the car and yeah, good choice. I bought it on my birthday and I really like it right now. It has dark chocolate with raspberry bits with other natural flavor. It has something crispy in it that gives you that beautiful flavor of raspberry. I like it. It's so hard to adjust this camera, it's so crazy. Actually, I already started something here in my birthday at 12 a.m. One of the things I started to do since my birthday is writing down my goals and also my visualizations on the top of working on my vision board. I still don't have the concepts of what is a good angle for a video, and yeah, it's really hard, especially with the phone. For some reason, when I switch to video, it's just become like zoom in and you can see the whole thing. This is a good angle. I don't know why I didn't notice it before. I guess I should just try all and see. I really regret not bringing my professional camera this time. So the water is getting closer. Actually might submerge me anytime. It just comes a long way in no time. So that's a little bit of excitement. My camera is shaking because of the wind. It's getting windy and a little chilly, and yeah, I'm getting hungry. So one of the things that I promised myself to start doing more is to come to the beach, no matter what. That should be my routine. It has always been my routine, and I will start doing it again. It definitely makes me feel better. The less I go, the more I feel like depressed. Sometimes I don't even notice, but that's what it is. I'm looking at these beautiful sea view, beach view houses in front of me, and I'm like, wow, I wish I had something like that. They are so lucky. Okay, the mental breakdown about not being able to go to the beach all the time, like as if I was in my home country, is finally over. So I'm really excited about my new plans after my birthday this year, and my husband is coming and he's looking at the dunes instead of the beach, which is kind of crazy. You might see a lot of videos during this vlog on just the beach. I just wanted to share with you so that if there's anyone like me, even if it's one person that loves the beach and misses it, at least when they're going to see this vlog, they will just feel like they've been there. So yeah, I'm doing these vlogs for me too. I watch them whenever I feel like I need to go, but I can't, whether because it's super far or very cold. People in North Carolina would probably understand that it's not all the time hot. So for the people who have beachy weather and sun all year long, bear with me. So the water just came all the way to here, which was scary. And that is our spot. Next day we just spent the whole day on the beach and then we headed back. It was just a day camera free. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, give me the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.